how to make money on Freelancer as a WordPress security consultant. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor and I came down to this platform to hire a WordPress security consultant, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to search for the skill by skill, or I'm just going to search for it by categories. It's where I can see all of the available skills in this platform. So let's give it a few seconds to load. Then you will be able to see all of the listed jobs in here. So here we have all the categories. The first one is websites, IT, and software. And by scrolling down, we can find the skill we're searching for. So let's find the letter W. And here we have T, U, V, and here we have W. Web design, web development, scraping, web security, website build. We need to find WordPress. You have WordPress, WordPress multilingual, WordPress plugin. That's all what we have. So let's go with WordPress as a whole to see the profiles of the freelancers who are doing this job. And as you can see, hire expert WordPress developers for any job. And by scrolling down, you will be able to see their profiles. So here, click on see more WordPress developers. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create profiles like these ones in order to showcase your skills to the business owners. So for example, let's check this man's profile, just to show you what I'm going to teach you in depth in this video. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a cover photo to your profile, how you can add a profile picture as well, how you can add your description, like this one, where you're going to talk about the years of experience you have, the skills you can offer, the services you can do. And also I'm going to show you how to have all of these verifications verified. They're very important because a lot of clients lean to work more with the freelancers who have all of these verifications in check. I'm going to show you also how you can add your hourly rate, and I'm going to show you how you can add your top skills. And you can add up to 20 skills in this platform, but I think this one have more than 20. I think you can do that when you've spent some time in the platform, when you are a little bit old in the platform. And here I'm also going to show you how you can drop your portfolio in here, because the portfolio is very important. The client would never hire someone without even seeing the kind of job he can do. And when it comes to reviews, you can do nothing about him because the reviews are controlled by the clients. The only thing you can do is to deliver a decent job to your clients. So let's close this window and let's go here. Let's go back to Freelancer to start creating your profile. And here click on earn money freelancing. And here make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on join Freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on login. And then let's give it a few seconds to load. And here, this is your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your account. So here you have this button where you can control everything else about your account and your finances. So here you can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, and your settings. And when it comes to your finances, you can also check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, check your transaction history, your financial dashboard, and your payment sharing. And also you can head to the support if you've encountered any problems, and you can invite friends as well, and you can log out too from the platform. So let's go up, click on view profile. We need to make a lot of adjustments to the profile. So here, as you can see, the profile is pretty empty. We don't have anything on it. So you start by editing profile in here. Then you will need to verify your email. After that, add a profile picture to your profile. No client would like to work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. Then you proceed to upload a cover photo to your profile as well. Then you proceed to the verifications, and here, as I said in the beginning, those are very important. So make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers. Verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method as well. Verify your phone number. Get your email verified, and connect your Facebook account if you have one. Then after that, you proceed to enter in your hourly rate. Then enter your professional headline and your summary as well. So here in the summary, you're just going to talk about yourself, talk about your skill, the years of experience you have, and those kind of stuff. Then you proceed to enter in your skills. So here, let's change those ones we have in here. And let's add our actual skill, WordPress security consultant. Let's remove consultant here. And let's remove security as well. So here we have WordPress plugin, WordPress design, we have WordPress as a whole. And when you choose your skill, then go down, click on save to save those adjustments. Then you enter your portfolio as well. It's very important. As I said in the beginning, click on manage. Then you'll be able to enter your portfolio. And first you will need to verify your email as I said before. And after you're done with making all of these adjustments, then it's time to make some money. So let's go up, let's wait for it to load. And here, go to browse, click on projects, then you will be able to find some jobs to do. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.